Okay, let's see what's going on out here in the shop today, guys. Let's check it out. Even though it's a mess, let's get this radio down. So underneath this car cover is, any of you that are following me on Instagram at Rick's_oldtimegarage, one word, will see a 66 Acadian that rolled in yesterday. That's got a, well, it's got an 800 horsepower engine underneath the hood there. We're going to be finishing it off for him. Most of the work is going to be putting the chrome on, interior, glass. There's some bodywork issues here and there, just a couple scratches that happened while he was assembling it, getting the engine up and running. Just, yeah, it's a bit there. Okay, the 70 satellite is up on the hoist. Take a look here and see. There's the replacement quarter panel right there. As you can see, I've started. Now, of course, you can see all the way along the bottom half. I don't cut the quarter fully off, just like the quarter wraps around there. I don't cut it fully off. I just cut out the center section. Then I work my way along, right? Just like it wraps inside the door right over there. So I still got to get all this trimmed up. And of course, you can see that there is some rust happening up in here. We're going to have to repair that. But other than that, the wheel tub is actually in really, the outer wheel tub is actually in really good shape. So we're going to repair all that today. Then we're going to get in there, clean all that. Then we're going to spray that because you're never going to get back to it again to put some proper paint on it. So that's what's going to happen here today with the satellite. Let's take a look and see. My buddy, if you're on Instagram again, it's a friend of mine. His first car ever, 57 Chevy, 210, little 4-door. He's got a family, he's got 3 kids, so that's what works for him. So don't be knocking it because it's a 4-door. Don't be making me come knock on your door because you're saying it's a 4-door. Don't piss me off now. Anyway, he brought it in. You can see the rockers are gone down below there. They're completely gone. The floor's kind of rotted out. His main issue is the car does run and drive, but the trunk pan was completely rotted out, which means the gas tank's going to fall out. And so he didn't want to take care of this himself. He said, well, maybe I better let you do it. So as you can see, I've cut the whole pan out. If you go to my Instagram again, you'll see it. I cut the whole pan out. I had to do a little bit of patchwork in here. Still got a little piece I got to put there. And I've set the new pan in there now. Now, normally these pans wrap right up into there, into the front part. His is solid there. He's on a really tight budget. I've just cut it. I'm butt welding it solid. No reason to get way up in there. It's going to save him a lot of time. Okay. So there's actually the piece right there that I cut off. So just there's no point. There's no point. Let's take a look here. Chris is trying to get Keith's truck fired up because we don't want to. We got to take it for exhaust, and we're not pushing this son of a bitch. It's too heavy. So let's see here. That sounds awesome. It's all good. Yeah. In the background here, you know, Mr. Bruce was working on the 55 Dodge. He got sideswiped. He's got the bodywork kind of roughed in there. It's got to go for primer. Anyway. Oh, it's all good. Doesn't matter. Yeah. So that's what's that's what's happening. What do you think, the timing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Timing's it.
Well, that's how it is on the real reality TV shows. Yeah. Don't you know that? The car's right down to the end, the final build, and the timing's out 180 degrees. Oh, yeah. Right? That's how it is.
No, it's close. It's just a little bit of fine tuning.
Yeah, that's all. That's all. It'll be running here. Everything runs here.
Open headers.
Open headers all the way. And we got Sean in here. Sean's working on a, yeah, I know, it's a 1980 Ford crew cab. I know. But he's a friend. He's kind of a friend. He's a good guy, and he needed this done. So we're all about helping people out. And Sean's the man for this. It's a big truck. You can see he's masking away here, getting ready to give it its first coat of filler primer. Oh, he's got the box pulled back. He's going to work on the cab. Did you do that yourself? Lift that box all the way back?
Yeah.
I knew you did.
No help at all.
No help at all, right? No, I knew you'd get it off there by yourself. Yeah, that's all right. That gave me more time to drink beer in the office. Oh, man. Yeah. So that's what's going on. Sometimes people don't realize all the time it takes to mask this stuff. People don't understand. They think you take your car into a shop and they think you mask it in what, an hour, eh, Sean? Everyone thinks it's an hour to mask something. Try try like a half a day or more sometimes. If you want it done proper. Or you can mask it in an hour, and then you can spend 2 fucking days cleaning the overspray off it. Yeah, right? Yeah, you can do that. That's when you want to go to Mako. They'll do that for you. That's right. Got some rims here we're going to get painted. But anyway, so that's what's going on. He's getting ready to prime it up. What else is going on? That's about it. We've got a couple empty bays here. That's right. Got some empty bays because we got some more jobs coming in. This door, we got a beautiful door over here. This door is for my wagon, my 64 wagon over there. So we're slowly doing it. We got the front fenders all done in final primer. The hood is all done in final primer. Now we're onto the doors. Because I don't know. I'm thinking I need to drive this car next year. I'm thinking I need to drive it, but there's going to be some major changes to it. It's not going to be like every other one out there. It's going to be different, and it's going to have huge horsepower. We're thinking we're going to have at least 400 horse in this thing with just a stock engine. So that must tell you that maybe I'm going to put something a little newer in there. I don't know, maybe not though. I still am old time garage. So that's what's going on. The 4x4, I got to whip it in the garage here because it's starting to rain today. So we're going to whip that in here and we're going to get working back on that. We've got a few more details and that baby's out and gone next week. So that's it. So there you go. I'll try and do a video, a catch-up video on this one on the satellite as I'm doing the quarter panel. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Rick's_Old Time Garage, all one word. Check us out on there. You can check us out. You can see what's going on. And you can see Hank, the shop dog. Yeah, he's a good dog. Sometimes. Okay, see you later. Big thumbs up.